Welcome to Papa Zaw's Fun Zone, where we check out random pizza games, toys, or anything pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Pizza Play-Doh! Let's unpack this Play-Doh pizza kitchen. There's actually a lot of cool stuff in here. We got some recipe cards for inspiration. Time to put this pizza kitchen together. That was pretty easy. Now for the good stuff, the Play-Doh. Ooh, that was fun. Let's make some dough. Squish. Let's get sussy. Squish. Grab your pizza peel and slide it under your pizza. Pop it under the cheese grater. Cheese time. Twist it. Time for some more toppings. We like mushrooms, so let's add a few. We really love pepperoni, so gotta add some of those. And to keep it a bit healthier, let's add some green pepper. Slice it. A Play-Doh pizza. Yeah, I'm not eating this one. Nah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.